Hey folks, here we are, here at the Armadillo Trail at Bonham State Park, getting ready to walk the trail here with the family and kids.
We're at Bonham State Park, going down the Armadillo Trail, and in addition to that, me and the kids brought our backpacks because we want to start doing some harder, more complicated, and lengthier trails, so we figured might as well get conditioned and start practicing carrying these things instead of just walking out and going, yeah, we're going to do it, and, be miserable.
Let y'all in on one of the hidden gems they have here at the state park. I think it's a beautiful area. Tell me what you think in the comments. Over here we're nice and secluded. The headquarters is across the lake up there. We're on the opposite side of it. I think this is one of the hidden gems where you can just kick back, relax, maybe even take a break while you're doing the trail here, which they have several trails here, but have some nice little stopping points where you can take a break at, picnic tables, benches, where you can overlook the water here. Just think it's a hidden gem all to itself. So nice and quiet. Just listen to the birds and sounds of nature. So how are you enjoying the trip so far in the trail?
Real good.
You enjoying it?
Mm-hmm.
How you enjoying being the leader of the group right now? Getting your practice in as being a leader.
Real good. I got this.
Oh, you got you a knife for protection?
It was Papa's that he gave me.
You got your steel toe boots?
Mm-hmm.
Armadillo Trail, Armadillo Trail. A1.
Is that really what you wanted?
Not what I was expecting.
Take a look at this little rock pile over here. Oh, a little bridge.
We'll have to go through puddles anyway, Jay.
Dad, I'm the king of the smallest mountain.
Yep, no,
King
my
of the
watch.
smallest mountain.
The king of the smallest mountain.
Actually, this is a big mountain. King of the smallest mountain ever.
Bottom is dirty.
Yeah, we've been walking. They're gonna get dirty.
I don't want them dirty. That's why
It's okay.
That's why I haven't been letting it
It's
get.
okay. It's okay. It's okay.
That's why I haven't.
You know how people show off their battle scars and like, hey, back in the day, see this scar right here, 97. All this mud on your shoes is your battle scars. And you'd be like, hey,
Hey,
It
mud
may.
on the shoe, 2021.
it may.
Hey,
6 in my shoe.
I ain't having trouble putting on my shoe.
All right, come on.
And that's why I haven't been.
Kids will be kids. How you feeling now, J-Bug?
I'm just gonna get my puddle.
Oh, your interview got told. Your
How
interview.
you feeling?
A little bit tired and out of breath.
How are you?
Yeah.
Making sure to keep enough water.
Yeah.
Okay, so we originally came down the Armadillo Trail and went all the way around, all the way down here. And then we cut up through here and all the way back. And now we just crossed right back over here to save us some time. We're just gonna walk back and getting back to the car that way.
We didn't see armadillos.
No, Mom said we're
All right, guys, so we have officially done the Armadillo Trail.
How's it feel to complete the Armadillo Trail?
Mama, can I go potty?
And Jay has to go potty. So I guess that's our next adventure, is to find Jay a bathroom.
So how's it feel to complete the
All right, hiking hunger setting in. Let's go eat, guys.
gone.
You got two, gentlemen?
Biscuit when it doesn't.
Take about 15 call out so that we have one dessert.
Here we go.